Okay, so what they're asking me to do is they're asking me to they're giving me a given, and the given they're giving me is this over here, that A plus B plus C plus D, A plus B is identical to, let's say I always get dizzy with all these letters they give me. A plus, let me say, I'm sorry, not A plus, A minus B plus C minus D, A minus B, right? This is a given, and they want me to show that A over B is equal to C over D. They want me to show that. And I gotta be honest with you, sometimes it's really tough to show things, and you might take a wrong path to it. But let me see if I got this written down at least. All right, that's good news. I got to be honest with you. I don't think I want to clear the fraction, and I'm going to do something I've done in the past, which is long division. You may wonder why I say that, because I'm seeing something that looks like it might be easy to divide. All right, so let me write this down for you. So A plus B divide into A plus B plus C plus D. And you know my goal is to kind of reduce complexity. What would you get over there? A plus B, and then when you subtract, what do you get? You get C plus D. So the left side would become what? 1 plus, well, it really becomes much easier. It's C plus D over A plus B. All right, let me do the other side now. And I'm going to get my eraser out. And again, we're just talking through the key. And let's write this down now. So I'm going to do that division now. It's A minus B divide into A minus B plus C minus D. Well, I'm going to say 1 again. And what do you get? A minus B. Subtract, what do you get? C minus D. So what do we get on the right side? You get 1 plus C minus D over A minus B. Well, I'm going to claim that's a success story because this crazy looking guy here now is looking like this one over here. Now, is that in the milestone? It is. It's right over here. Then what would I do? Well, let me get rid of the distractions now. All right, getting rid of all the distractions. I know I'm looking through the key, though. I subtract 1 from both sides, and you get this then. So what's nice about this is that this thing really simplified to this thing over here. So now I'm at the stage saying, what do you want to do now? I have very little, other than the fact that I could clear the fraction. So let me write that down for you. So you get C plus D and A minus B equals C minus D, A plus B. All right, what am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to multiply it out. All right, and by the way, you can say, what's your goal? My goal is to get that thing in the end. Right? They want to lead that. The path's going to lead there. Wow, I got to do the multiplication, right? Hopefully things will be really nice and clean when I do it. And let's just do that. It shouldn't be that bad. And what do you get over there? AC minus BC. Let's see, that's going to be AD, right? Did I copy something wrong? C plus D, A minus B. That's a D, right? Let me make sure I copied that. Yeah, I copied it right. So AC minus BC plus AD minus BD equals AC. You know, this is one of the reasons I prefer typing to writing. Typing, I really don't make any mistakes with the letters, but when I print, I make a lot of mistakes, by the way. So AC, and then I get BC, and then I get minus AD, and minus DB, or BD. I'm going to look around, and a couple of things I noticed like right away. I could subtract AC from both sides. And then what else do I have? I could add BD to both sides. All right, so someone says, what are you going to do now? Well, I'm going to think I'm going to add things to both sides now. So I'm going to get 2BC 2AD. Well, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get AD equals BC. Now, someone says, what was your goal? My goal is this. I want to tell you what the goal is going to be. To get A over B equals C over D. All right? So I'm going to divide both sides by B, and I'm going to divide both sides by D. What would I get? A over B equals C over D. We show what we're supposed to show. Generally, what we do at the end of a problem when we do something like this is write down Q, E, D. We show what we're supposed to show. Are these difficult problems? In my opinion, they're tedious. They really are. But you get to the end of it, all right? Thank you.